Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Back in the shoe shop, and I've got another one of these. I've got another paddle to do. And my husband cut me another stencil. Where did that go? So we did one that said at the lake, or at the lake, I think it said. We did that one in white and like a beachy blue. And I'm going to keep this one, this dark color. And this one says cabin life. So I went cabin life. Green. I don't do much with green, but immediately my mind went to this, green. And I went, oh, we're going to do cabin life in a dark green. Why does it sound like a plane's going to crash into my house? That was low. Okay, anyway. So we're going to stencil this like we did the other one. I got to make sure I have the hangers at the top here. And I did find my squeegee. I knew I had it down here somewhere. And I've lost it again. Hang on. Squeegee. Now, my husband gave me this one. I don't know what they cost. I don't know where they come from. I'm assuming the hardware store. But he gave me this one. It's what he uses to put vinyl on. So that's what we're going to use to put the vinyl on our cabin life here. Let me get you guys down. And then we will stencil this up. My only problem with this is I can't do my stencil trick, which is to stencil the base color over, let that bleed and dry, and then put the color on top. So we're actually going to have to be careful. I'm not good at careful. I'm not happy with careful. We're going to do careful. But, all right. All right, I'll do it. I'm going to mess this up, aren't I? We're going to try not to mess it up. We're going to do it slowly. All right. And I'm not good at placing these things. I never have been. As far as straight. It's a good thing that this whole thing is kind of angled. And he never cuts the bottom like straight to help me place it. No, he just kind of goes, good luck. Oh, that's right over the edge. Okay, now none of the letters are leaking over the edge. Now what he tells me to do is take this, press it down, especially around those center pieces there, like these little E's and the extra pieces here. He really likes this scripty stuff, doesn't he? Those edges down. So y'all saw it. I did my part. Can I get a witness? Oh, I hope the green shows up nice in this. A white would show up nice on it, but obviously. I feel like green would be a good cabin color. I don't use green very often. Unless I'm doing Christmas trees. All right, let's shake this up. All right, so I got this really great piney green. I'm gonna just one more little. And then I have my makeup sponges. So this was the blue that we used on the other one, but the other side's still good. So we're gonna use that. And I am gonna dab it off on, not on the stencil, because we wanna do this in light coats. All right, let's pull it off. I'm just gonna peek. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Okay. All right then. You always want to pull the stencil off while the paint is still wet, just because you don't want the stencil to dry down and permanently be part of your oh, so satisfying. Ooh. Yeah, you can see that. Cool. My dental tool here. Try not to rest my hand on any wet paint while I grab these. Oh. This is not wanting to come up. Oh no. There we go. Well, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Feel like it needs something more. I don't like it. I don't know what to do. I just don't like it. I think I just leave it. Don't like it. I'll have to think on that for a minute.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.